President Lagarde.
Well, thank you so much. And I would like to start by greatly appreciating the German's presidency occasion that is given to us to actually see each other in person. All of you journalists, I hadn't seen one in the last 6 months, so it's really nice to see you, as it has been nice to see each other. Second, I would like to also celebrate the opening of the Euro area presidency by my colleague and friend Paolo Gentiloni, who introduced us to our first physical meeting this morning with an element of both stock-taking and also forced fast-forwarding into what is to be done in the weeks and months to come. I took the opportunity of this meeting this morning to debrief colleagues around the table about the projections that we released yesterday and follow up to the Governing Council that we had at the European Central Bank. And to summarize it briefly, because I generally agree with many of the things that both colleagues Paolo Gentiloni and Paolo Gentiloni have said, for us this current moment is coined by this uneven, incomplete and asymmetric recovery that we have observed in the third quarter after a very, very catastrophic second quarter, unparalleled in peacetime. Second, I would observe that it is surrounded by a lot of uncertainty. Uncertainty about labour market development and the impact that it will have. Uncertainty about the liquidity problems faced by companies turning possibly into solvency issues. Uncertainty about the actual COVID-19 and how the second wave is going to pan out and what impact it will have on our economies. And uncertainty about the phasing out alluded to by Commissioner Gentiloni of all the measures that have been put in place in terms of safety net to help our economies go through this phase. The final word that I would use is the one that I emphasized to finance minister colleagues, is no complacency. Our accommodative monetary policy needs the support of fiscal policy, and none of us can afford complacency in the present time. So I subscribe very much to the issue pointed out by Commissioner Gentiloni about the appropriate timing to not withdraw but phase out some of the supports that have been put in place and that really need to remain until the crisis is over. Second, clearly I would like to bring all the support of the ECB to the banking union agenda of the new president of the Eurogroup. If anything, the COVID-19 is making the necessity of banking union even more imperative because we need to have a strong and a stronger banking system. We need to have better opportunities for cross-border integration within the euro area, and we need to make sure that all European citizens are confident in the insurance system that is in place, and that should apply on a cross-border basis as well. With that, again, I salute you, Debut, and I look forward to good cooperation.